Ito si Johan. Ang batang mahilig sa pagkain. Gusto niyang kumain ng marami. Kahit siya ay busog na. Okay, we are here in Novaliches Bayan. Johan, what do you want to say to the vlog? Johan, say something. Say something. Say something. Let's go there first. We will go to the mall. Pantok Mall. Si Johan nakakaramdam ng pagkain. Okay, Johan. Go. What do you want to say?
Wala.
Ha? Diyan ka, picturean kita. Sa gagamba. Stand there. Look here. Galing nga. Come on. Come on. Okay? You want to walk there? Johan, nakakita ng manok? Fried chicken? Nagutom?